Look how cute!
Come closer. Take a look. Be quiet not to disturb them.
You're right, they do live in large colonies.
Very rarely they will live by themselves. Their habitats tend to be low-lying grounds. They gather bits and bobs from surrounding fauna to build their nests. See the babies? They are very fragile. They rely heavily upon adults to help, support, and nurture them. Without this, they will fall prey to predators, and only when they're bigger, stronger, and can fend for themselves do they leave their parents. They will always be a part of the colony. It's always there for them.
It's a scary thought. Once wiped out, they'll all be forgotten and simply just a memory in a book.